In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate on the App Store in just 5 minutes. Rating an app is an essential way to share your experiences and provide valuable feedback to developers, which helps other users decide whether an app is worth their time. Whether you're thoroughly impressed by an app's functionality, or if you have some constructive criticism that could help improve its features, writing a review can have a significant impact. So let's dive in and explore this simple process step by step. To start, you'll want to open the App Store on your device. This is the gateway to discovering and downloading new apps, and naturally it's also where you'll be rating them. Once you have the App Store app open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. The search bar is your next target, and that leads us into the next part. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the app you wish to rate. This step is fairly intuitive. It's like searching for an email or document. It helps if you know the exact name of the app to avoid any mix-ups, especially with many apps having similar sounding names. When you find the app in question, simply tap on it to open its main page. Navigating down the app's page, scroll until you see the ratings and reviews section. Here you'll find other users' ratings and reviews offering insight into how the app is perceived publicly. This section is crucial not just for leaving your feedback but also for seeing what others think. It provides a great sense of community dialogue around the app's performance and usability. Next, for leaving your own rating, find the option to write a review or the star icons to select your rating. If you simply wish to give a quick star rating without an additional comment, you can do that by tapping on the number of stars you believe the app deserves. However, detailed feedback can be more beneficial. If you decide on writing a review, tap on Write a Review. Here you'll find a section to pen down your thoughts, praises or suggestions. While adding your comments is optional, it's highly encouraged. Why? Because your words provide context. A few sentences explaining your experience or detailing any issues you've encountered can be incredibly helpful. Once you've completed your review, proofread it to ensure clarity and proper grammar, then look for the send, submit or similar button to publish your feedback. Your input will be up for others to see and consider, and developers can use this information to make their app even better. By following these steps, you've now successfully rated an app on the App Store. It's a small but impactful action that contributes to the community and supports developers in enhancing their applications. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.